Was cooking good looking. Remember that green dough? Oh, I know y'all didn't forget. Well, we're about to do something real nice with that. You see what I got here? Some cheese. That paneer. Oi balle. Munda mirchi cheese banana the. We got that green chili, baby. We got that onion. Look at this right here. Some fire red sauce. Secret recipe, baby. What are we about to do right here? I like it spicy, baby. Y'all know me. If you know what I'm dealing with, you know I got that green dough, Himalayan power. I'm gonna make it a little sweet, alright? Sweet and spicy. I like that tang. The texture of the crunchy onion with the paneer cheese and sweet and spicy. I like it like that. Oh, baby. Let's get this show on the road. Get that cheese up in there, you know? Yes. Got that cheese, baby, please. Got the paneer. Never fear with the paneer. You know what I'm dealing with, baby. That's some fresh paneer. Big shout out to Bangalore for the fresh paneer. Holding it down. Really good paneer. Okay. Got that chili, you know I like it spicy, baby. You know I like it hot, mommy. Come on. Let's get this thing loaded. Locked and loaded right here. I'm gonna layer it up like so. I want this cheesy, baby. Real cheesy. Okay. Almost done. We're just gonna top it like that. Top it off with that hot stuff. And then we're gonna seal it up and throw it on the skillet. It's like a naan. It's like a naan melt I'm about to make. Multitasking, don't mind the camera. It's probably going all over the place. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna finish this up. Then I'm gonna roll that dough, baby. It's all business around here. Okay, much more. Rolling the dough is what calls for it, you know? Gotta do it like that. Let's seal this baby up. Like so. This is gonna be one hell of a pocket. Alright, we're about to roll the dough, my man. And my ladies, my compadres, mirchi masti munda. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be one hell of a pocket. Let's work some magic now. Boom! Oh, perfecto. Aaj bahut badhiya lag raha the mere samne. Mirchi masti munda, look at that. That's what we're looking for, baby. That is exactly what, that's cooked to perfection. Let's cut her up. That's a naan, baby. That's a naan melt right there. Let's go. And if you don't like the way I cut it, you could just shut it. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Look at that. Let's just check that out. Green dough and cheese, baby. Look at that. Oh, yes. Chef it up. Salud.